Dude, see this race, man. Who's this kid? Damn, dude. What year is this? It's a 94, right?
91.
91. That mean freaking tip.
Come on, you gotta. This thing though.
I know.
Like this crown jewel, dude.
It sounds like a freaking V8. Is this a V8? What the hell? Something sounded like a V8.
Yeah, that's what you get when you. Yeah, dude.
Look at that. Look at that mad neochrome shift knob.
Oh yeah, let's hear some weed whack. You want to fucking rap battle, dude?
No, I'm fine with the rub battles.
Dude, do you get a lot of drone or no?
Not anymore.
But dude, when I straight plate, start so much.
Oh God. Oh my God. Holy fuck. Oh my God, dude. Dude. Straight pipe as hell, dude.
That is just fucking mean.
Oh
Yeah,
crap.
Can you hear him now? Can you hear him now?
I can hear them now.
Why is your tire mad freaking flat?
Because it's on the curb.
Shut up. I won't ask you. Dude, where are the 50 horsepower stickers at? I'm not seeing enough, dude.
Oh, give him the big tire ones so you put on his mini bike. That was sticking, you put on his mini bike.
Oh, you do? Sweet, dude.
Some backfires.
Dude, look at this thing. Freaking mean shift knob. Dude, he's freaking off into the sunset, dude. Where'd he go? There he is.
I don't know, I feel like with the wheel it was better.
Kid ripping the freaking mini bike, dude. Justin, explain what you're doing here.
Mounting my battery.
With zip ties.
Yes. I am up there.
This freaking Miata, dude. Oh, look at this kid, dude. Oh my God, dude. You're gonna crash into the car, you retard. Alright, dude. Oh, shit. How many miles does this thing have again?
163.
63.
Okay.
What the hell is that? Tire up?
Nah, you drive manually on shoulders. I'm lazy. Or autistic, kind of.
Oh shit. Oh my God. Dude, slow down. Go left, go left. Oh shit. I feel like I'm in freaking Haggard Garage. Oh my God. You are a madman, dude. You are a freaking madman. Oh my God. Yeah, go right. Dude, this car is fun. I mean, come on. Go straight. It looks really hard. It felt like it was front wheel drive.
Nah, what the fuck?
Felt like it. Just make a right up here. No, not this one. Next one. Next one. Sorry.
What's your dad think about this car?
My dad?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's funny because he rented one before on a trip, but then I don't know. He's like, oh, it's too small or whatever. He wants me to get a truck, dude.
The truck in the backyard.
Yeah.
The truck in the backyard. We'll do justice.
All right, man. Thanks. Next time you come, the other one should be running fine. Hey, dude, next month you should come for my party I have. Just to hang out for my birthday. Later. Hey, Vlad, do a peel out of here if you can. Okay, sorry. He's gonna do it. Yes, dude. Oh my god, I hope I got that. Dude, he was butthurt. He didn't want to do a peel, but he did it anyways. Even though the guy in the passenger seat, that was his car. Yeah, man, it's so mint. Now we're gonna get back to fixing the mini bikes, man. So here we go.